Hello, today we're going to be looking at a Makita 14-inch demo saw, running through the operation of how you put the blade onto it, how you start the machine, how the machine works. First of all, we're going to be putting on one of our purchase general purpose blades on. These blades do come with a 20mm arbor as well as a 1-inch arbor you can knock out. First, you're going to take your wrench, which is supplied to you, painted the same color as the saw, take off your nut and washer. Then you're going to take off your larger blade washer after that. We're going to slide our blade on, drop the arbor down in place and make sure that you do have the right size on so it doesn't wobble in use. Put your blade washer back on, your washer and bolt back on. Then we're going to go ahead and tighten this down. I like to break the blade with my hand down on the bottom, tighten with the wrench on the top, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. You do want that quite tight. This machine is a 2-stroke machine, so it's going to take mixed fuel. Our saws do all go out with a full tank of fuel, as well as an extra gallon of pre-mixed for you in an OSHA green can. To refill this saw, it's as simple as turning it onto its side, loosening on the cap here, and simply pouring into the saw. Being a 2-stroke saw, you are able to cut overhead, vertical, any which direction because it does not have an oil reservoir on it. To start this saw, first thing that you need to do is start in the back, press down on the safety trigger, squeeze in on the trigger, rotate it all the way up to choke and release. On the other side of the saw, you have a pressure release right here. Press in on that, and that's going to loosen the pressure off the cylinder, making it easier to pull. I like to put my foot through the back strap here onto the handle and then pull here. You don't want to over pull these. They are small recoils, so you can go past and yank the guts out of the recoil. You want short, quick pulls. Once it tries to start, work to the back of the saw and work it down 1 click to half choke. Press down on the black switch to shut the machine off. Thank you for watching with us today.